Hey guys, Catherine Arensberg here, and guess what? I got a new catalog in, which means you get a catalog review. I know you've been dying for another one. This week we have Country Casual Teak Outdoor Furniture. Country Casual sells products for commercial use all the way down to residential use. And I say down to residential use just because it's a little smaller scale and the commercial scale is larger. A couple notes about Teak. I'm probably not going to go through the commercial site stuff so much because for the most part it doesn't apply to you. The nice thing about the Country Casual Teak commercial line is that it takes a commercial building and then kind of gives it a little more soft, smaller, what's a good word for it? I can't think of the word. More personal feel, not so industrial, you know? You don't feel cold on like a park bench kind of a thing. So the teak adds that softness that sometimes a commercial building needs. So good job, Country Casual. I really like that. They got market umbrellas and things like that. Okay, then as far as teak in general, teak is a very durable wood and it lasts for years and years. You may notice if you have teak furniture at home, it grays. It has a gray patina on it over time. You can keep it from getting that gray patina by sealing it. There's several different treatments that can be done on it, but overall it is a very long-lasting, durable wood. It is very pricey, and I'm sure this brand is no different than any other, but if you get a true piece of teak furniture, it will last a very, very long time. And if you know what you want, it's a good investment piece. All right, guys, let's get started with this thing. I'm gonna flip past all of everything in the commercial arena. There's a lot of really long benches. There are, trash cans, teak trash cans, which would not fit in a residential situation. But again, they work because they are so long lasting because teak is so good. All right, let's move on to the more residential stuff. I love that they have included, there's like a teak and woven mix happening for the Melbourne collection, and I really like the solid teak table. So often with the teak, you see this, it's such a like almost stereotypical teak. It's like a slatted look, and I really like that they are coming up, this catalog in particular is coming up with new ways to style and design with teak that's not that super traditional, just like straight line cuts. This table is really good. These chairs are really good. I mean, how many things can you do with teak? But I think Country, what is this called again? Country Casual. It's changing it up a little bit. I do not, okay, so there's this other trend that's happening right now. It's like a, it's almost like a director's chair. You can see it in this magazine. It's a super simple thing, but it's a wood frame and then it's got canvas or this mesh material stretched across. Not a huge fan, it's okay. I like this one's almost like raffia that they did on this Melbourne collection, which I really liked for the dining tables, and the Oslo dining chair, I think is probably what it's called. All right, and then I do not like, once again, that we have done faux rattan with wood mix on a chair. I can't get on board. Chippendale is good. Teak Chippendale, I like. This is pretty. Okay, so this is really good because you can't even tell. Okay, Country Casual also has different finishes that you can put on, including this one is a gray finish. So you probably have in your mind the idea that teak, at least to start with, has a super bright, light, tan kind of a color, you know, natural wood kind of a color. But Country Casual will put a sealer on it that is gray, and I think they have a couple other colors too. So this one's really pretty and it's a nice change. Okay, these would not survive in Alabama. These have like side sets with fabric or something. I'm not exactly sure, but those would not survive in Alabama, I can tell you that. I really wish that they had chosen to either do the X here or the X here, but in general, I feel like this is too much. So like if this had been a relatively solid back and then the sides had been X's, or leave the X there and let those be something different. But it's just like a lot of the same, and that's the Apex collection. That's a lot of the same repeated pattern that I don't love. These are real rustic. Maybe if you like the Aspen collection, a modern take on the classic Adirondack. I'll let you decide. It does seem like a rustic modern, like you would use it, like it doesn't say beach to me. It says mountain or something. Oh, and here's the classic Adirondack. Around here, people paint these like fishes. Y'all seen these? They paint them like fishes. Just a little styling note here. Just because look, I'm doing a catalog review. I'm being a little nitpicky. This surface with slate that's bumpy with a rocking chair on top of it, forget about it. You ain't gonna be rocking on that thing, you're gonna be doing this. Ain't no straight rocking. It's gonna be the most uncomfortable rocking chair ride you ever had. Ooh, these are kind of funky and cool. The Bethesda, is that a Bible character, Bethesda? Methuselah? Who am I thinking? All right, I like those. They're kind of weird, but I kind of like them. We're back to the canvas and the teak, which I don't like, unless it's a lounger, as we've established. Okay, we've come to the end of the teak. Now we're on to pillows, because you can pick your own colors and patterns and all that good stuff. Claim they're stain resistant, but you know you gotta add your never wet to the top so that it works. Okay, oh, perfect. They got a guide for the nature of teak in the back, which is exactly what I was talking about. They show you what the color of new teak looks like, what it looks like after it's been aged for 6 months and then aged for 24 months. So you get that bright color and then it dulls down a little bit and then it turns gray. And then you can get them to seal it with gray or clear or whatever so it doesn't do that aging process. So those are kind of all the options that you have for your teak. And then they've got 1,000,001 little pictures in the back to show you the price list for everything. Okay, so overall, good job, Country Casual Teak. I think if you are looking for an investment piece of teak for your home or by your pool or even for your business, then this is a great place to go, at least for inspiration and to see what's available. I do love the idea of having it not be the traditional slats of teak as we're used to seeing, and it definitely gives you an idea of what your options are for the color of teak. So I enjoy the fact that it's an informational catalog and not just a salesy catalog. So good job. We want to give it, let's give it 4. Has anything achieved 5 yet? We'll give it 4. 4 fern fronds, 4 stars. Good job.